Anyway, this is Michael the Tactical Llama. We're on the range today. We're gonna have some fun because that's not my cabbage. So I'm gonna go ahead and shoot it.
Heck.
We're gonna be using the Palmetto State Armory 7.5 inch 300 Blackout Pistol. We're gonna do three things. So we're gonna shoot the first round is just 300 Blackout ball. Okay. The next round is a Hornady Black. And then the final round is a 300 Blackout Subsonic. So yeah, we know this isn't suppressed, but we'll just play around and see if we can hear the noise difference. So here we go. First round, ball. This might destroy it. Let's see. I'm super. Ooh, that was tall. That was on the top.
I got rained on.
Here we go. Let's bring it down a little bit.
Oh, the purple.
Oh, oh, that was the Hornady Black.
Oh.
Here comes the Subsonic.
Oof.
Let's see what they did.
So good.
So I grazed the top, unfortunately, with the first one. There's the carnage from the other two rounds, but let's really look at
That's the back of your head.
the second, the 300 Blackout Hornady. Yeah, that's instant coleslaw.
Yep, we got coleslaw.
All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Make sure you support the Tactical Llama on Patreon at the Tactical Llama. Till next time, make sure you guys like, subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.